Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to open image in Photoshop. We're going to be concentrating on how to do this using the file open command. You see, opening image in Adobe Photoshop is a fundamental task. Here's a breakdown of the common steps. Now, first you need to launch the Adobe Photoshop application, then go to File in the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on File. Then from the drop down menu choose Open. Then a file explorer window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Next, you have to click on the image file you want to open and click the open button in the file explorer window, this image. Then the image will open in Photoshop. It's as simple as that. Now, don't forget that Photoshop supports a wide range of image file formats including JPEG, PNG, PSD, TIFF, and many more. Now, open the image. When you use open, it opens the image as a separate document. When you use place, it inserts the image into an existing Photoshop document as a new layer. Keep your Photoshop software up to date to ensure compatibility with modern image file types.